岭长城了吧？
是长城，八达岭是一个地名。
它就是一个长，这就是长城的一。
对，好多你都说，就是根据气象。
但是长城吗？是啊。
100%的是。
Look at that. That's not the Great Wall we're gonna go, but look at that. Look at the wall. Imagine back in the days building this in the middle of the mountain.
看着烽火台都看得很清楚。
Whoa. Damn. So many mountains. The Great Wall. Okay, we get to see it again all over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How many people died building this wall? Seriously. Whoa, whoa. Oh, sorry.
水关长城。
Ah, damn it.
居庸关有2栋。
Wasn't it built with slaves? Oh, yeah.
这就是居庸关长城。
Oh, there's another part of the Great Wall you can climb, but this is the one that's harder to climb. Carrying blocks of stone up must be really hard work.
居庸关长城1公里。
Never knew the side of a mountain needed a wall. 居庸关长城啊。
开慢一点啊。
Damn.
开慢一点，你妈的。
Look at those.
你看多壮观。
Wow. Whoa! Wow! Oh my God! It's right here.
正面，居庸关的大楼。
What the hell?
居庸关的那个长城的那个。
This is not the one we're going, by the way, guys.